Hi and welcome to this video on the best way to bring in cash with ChatGPT. Visit GPT is a computer-based intelligence instrument that is controlled by open simulated intelligence and can do a great deal of things, including responding to troublesome inquiries, composing articles, producing codes to make devices, and in any event, creating video scripts. In this video, I will clear up 6 different ways for bring in cash with Visit GPT. Technique 1. Begin a YouTube mechanization channel. A robotization channel is a YouTube channel that doesn't need the proprietor to show their face. Around here, you really want to employ video script scholars, voiceover specialists, video makers, and editors, and afterward you can do the video point research all alone to get viral video subjects. ChatGPT can assist you with picking a specialty, produce viral theme thoughts for your YouTube recordings, make video scripts, make thumbnail thoughts, and foster video portrayals. YouTube robotization channels needn't bother with a human face. They simply need a voiceover, video cuts, B-rolls, and pictures that will be assembled to make an instant video. You can bring in cash from YouTube advertisements, income, and supported recordings. Technique 2. Begin a blog utilizing Visit GPT. Beginning a blog is likewise an extraordinary method for utilizing Visit GPT to bring in cash. Composing articles will be more straightforward on the grounds that Visit GPT can compose practically all the subject. You can give ChatGPT a guidance like this: make a 2000 words blog entry about losing stomach fat, and Visit GPT will create an elegantly composed article about how to lose tummy fat. Nonetheless, it is encouraged to alter this article to try not to get a strike from Google for counterfeiting. At the point when you are steady with your blog, your traffic will skyrocket, and you will actually want to rake in some serious cash through Google AdSense, member advertising, sponsorship bargains, and a lot more adaptation strategies. Technique 3. Sell articles made by Visit GPT. Visit GPT is great at making elegantly composed articles, and you can sell these articles on the web. You can request that Visit GPT make an article on a specific subject, alter it, and afterward sell it on internet-based commercial centers or to clients searching for content journalists. Technique 4. Make chatbots. Chatbots are turning out to be progressively famous, and you can make a chatbot utilizing Visit GPT. Chatbots can assist organizations with computerizing their client care and deals processes. You can offer your chatbot creation administrations to organizations and charge an expense for making and keeping up with their chatbots. Technique 5. Decipher sound and video content. Visit GPT can decipher sound and video content rapidly and precisely. You can offer record administrations to clients and charge an expense for each moment of interpreted substance. Technique 6. Foster Visit GPT modules and mixes. ChatGPT has numerous modules and reconciliations accessible, however there is dependably space for more. You can foster your own ChatGPT modules and reconciliations and offer them to organizations or on internet-based commercial centers. Conclusion. All in all, Visit GPT is a strong artificial intelligence device that can assist you with bringing in cash on the web. You can utilize it to begin a YouTube computerization channel, begin a blog, sell articles, make chatbots, decipher sound and video content, and foster Visit GPT modules and incorporations. With these strategies, you can make up to $1,500 each day.